What's up? Today I'm here with my first wig again. I am excited for today's install because I'm just so excited. I feel like this is so summer ready. So let's go ahead and jump into what we got in the package. So it's the classy red and white box, same packaging as always. So as I open it, I see this with the wig, and then I got this little pouch here. So let's see what we got in it. It says my first wig, right, and it has stripes in the back. And I got some of my clips that I love getting so much, and I also got one more of these rat tail combs. Really excited about this. We're working with this gorgeous bob, and I'm so excited because tomorrow, well, I have an event, and I feel like, you know, it's really hot right now out here in Jamaica, and I feel like this is the perfect wig to have. And this is a Swiss lace bob, okay? This is a silky straight 14-inch bob, and it's a natural color. It's a medium cap size, and I'm gonna put the density of the hair in my description box. And as I said, it's a full-on lace front Swiss lace wig. I'm so excited for this, man. It has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps, you know, and it is pre-bleached. It is pre-plucked. It looks so good. I'm gonna do a whole blunt cut, pulled back kind of vibe. I feel I'm definitely going to cut it down shorter. I don't know if you guys saw me with that very blunt bob look some time ago, so that's the look I'm going for with this, and I'm just excited for it, honestly. So yeah, now that you guys have seen this, oh my gosh, it feels so good, it looks so good. I cannot wait to go ahead and install this. So let's go ahead and jump into that.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron.
Remember, I told you this is Swiss lace, and they plucked this really nicely right out of the packaging. Like, it's so snug to my head, you know? So I love that, and I'm definitely going to be cutting this like 2 inches shorter because I want that blunt, edgy look. So that's what I'm gonna do. And initially I was going to do like a center part, but from the other day I've been enjoying the swoop. I've really been enjoying the swoop, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, let's get to installing, and I'm just using my got to be.
Mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes. Stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet and spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the sign. I'm for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you.
So I'm gonna have to like straighten it to kind of eyeball. You see, you have some parts there that it's not even. So I'm going to straighten it, and then we can go in and see exactly where we want to cut it to, so we have a clean, clear cut.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spill.
Now I got glammed and everything, and so this is how it looked after I straightened it. And I didn't necessarily go through that on camera because I literally just ran my flat iron through so quickly. So now what I'm gonna do is the final run through, and I'm gonna slightly bump it, guys. Slightly bump it. You don't want to bump it too much. You don't want to give it like a grandma looking bob vibe. You're still like just straightening it, but you just angle the flat iron.
Will take effect under the moonlight. Stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice.
I know that a lot of you are going to love this whole bob look because it's summertime, it's trending, it's cute, it's sleek, it's like, it's super neat. You know, it's very windy outside, so I feel like the swoop really just helps with the entire look. It doesn't get messy on your mouth, like especially if you're gonna wear gloss, you know, your hair get caught in the gloss, and it's just like I you know, because I'm going to a beach party right now, so check me out on my vlog channel PETITE-SUE TV to see how that went. But yeah, so you don't want to like do the most, you don't want your hair down in your face and all of that because it's windy and all of that. So this short bob is hot, so it stops right at your neck. It's not gonna be like all over your body. I don't know, yeah, it's cute and it's easy to wear, especially in the heat. So let me know what you guys think about it. I love it, love it, love it. I'm going to drop the direct link where you can get this wig, the specification. The lace melted like a dream. Okay, the lace is super nice. Swiss lace, my top pick. Okay, top pick. It looks like scalp, you know. It's really easy. It was really easy to work with, really easy to install, super silky, extremely silky, easy to straighten, minimal shedding, very minimal. But yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up your mistake.
Made a love potion for